So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can use your PS5 controller to play iPad games. So the first thing that we need to do is put the PS5 controller into pairing mode, and to do this you need to hold the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time until you see a rapidly flashing white light. So this is now in pairing mode. If I go to my iPad here and then I go down, go to my Bluetooth settings and then just click on my DualSense wireless controller here. If you have done this correctly, you will now see a solid blue light on your controller. It might change colour to a different one. But once we've done this, let's just go over to an iPad game now. So I will go to Among Us. And then as you can see, what I can then do is use my controller. So if I just go ahead and use my controller here and we find a game, I will go into a random one. And then what you will now notice is that I am the banana colour. Oh no, I'm not, I'm the maroon colour. Right here. So what I can do is go over here, I'll change the colour of my avatar, I will turn to the red one, and then as you can see you can start moving around as you would usually with the controller on iPad. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can play games on iPad with a PS5 controller.